Oh! Nicole, say something.
Something.
Something. Oh, wait. Oh my god.
I'm not.
What are you not doing?
Nothing.
Oh, you could get it anywhere. A little bit of lube. Organic lube.
Yeah, I was gonna make
Essential
that.
oil lube. I know. Just like that, folks, you can create your own reality. You can do anything you want in life.
No.
You can go pee in the bush. Alright, well, Nicole's going pee. Every day is a new day to do something a little bit different, to do something a little bit better, to upgrade your mind, upgrade your health, your wellness, your mental health, everything. You can do some little thing like that every single day. We're at a different nature place. That's changing, that's adapting, that's adventuring to different nature spots. That's what I'm saying, right? So it's always good to switch it up just a little bit. You can learn something new, meet a new animal, go pee in a different spot, whatever it is, right? Here we go. Did you see that? It's Bigfoot. No, no. So airplane? No. It's Nicole. And we're rolling.
Stop it. I want you to cry.
Going up. That's like what those creepy people say in the elevators. Going up? This is fine, there's handles. Yeah, and then it's like sand here, so you're fine. Just lean forward. Oh, damn. Oh, there's kiss too.
They're not handles, they're spikes.
Yeah, you did it. Yeah. Oh, are you okay?
I was just hoping I didn't fucking hit like my nuts. I'm glad I grabbed this though. I might have flipped.
Do you want some help?
Oh,
Here you go.
that was fun. It's a wild Nicolaj inner habitat. All right, man. That's not spiritual.
This is Scott going pee. You're like right at the shore.
Yeah, it's the same. You're good. Just slowly. It's not have to go far. Here. Take my hand. Oh, that's adorable. We're friends, but like, I'm not even looking now. Here, you let go. Fuck you.
Yeah, great friend.
Oh Jesus, Scott!
We're almost there. You should have ran that way. You were
No, because I didn't trust that.
You were literally
Yup, you tell us this after we almost fall through. Right over there, to be precise. It's an angel wing, and that looks like ribs. Or chemtrails that are fucked up.
I don't know. What are we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, push it a little bit.
Through a freaking rock somewhere.
Push a little bit, alright?
1, 2.
Wait, what are we doing on it? Okay, this is for more self-love and appreciation for nature. Here you go. Oh, bye.
Yeah.
Park.
This is where the devil is.
Yeah, he slowly gets deeper and deeper in the woods and then he dies.